Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update the script to the latest version. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com or download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to the script if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update the script to the latest version. So first of all, let's see what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, we have projects, quick recordings, we have AI speakers and templates, and the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have all of your settings here, the new project button here, which is one of the important. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update the script to the latest version. First of all, launch the Descript app, or of course go to Google and then click on Help menu at the top of the screen and select Check for Updates. We have it here, and here of course you can go and check the updates. So we have the Descript version here. Now, if an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install the latest version. You may need to restart the app to complete the update. The script also automatically checks for updates when you run the app and prompts you to restart for an immediate update if a new version is available. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.